Let's go next. Let's talk about motion along a straight line. Okay, let us talk randomly. Okay, let us take this example. Now I have this 12 kilometer is here. This is my distance. Okay, 12 kilometer. Let me take the color to be yellow. No, it is not visible. Let me take color to be red. Okay, let's take red color. Now this distance, okay, I'm going to talk about this distance. This is a straight line. Okay, now let's say I'm here at O. Okay, now from, let me just take the example. You have started moving from, let's say, a vehicle. Let me make a vehicle for you. Okay, or you okay, let's take, no, let's not make vehicle. Let's say you are moving from O to Z. Okay, and from Z to X. Okay, moving from O to Z, that is O is here to Z, Z is here. Till here you are moving and you are coming back to X. Okay, so distance will be equal to how much? Distance is equal to O to Z, OZ, right? O to Z, this distance, O to Z. So distance will be equal to OZ plus another is, you are, after that you are coming back, right? You went from O to Z, from here to here, and you came back till here. Okay, how much is this distance? From ZX, OZ, and from ZX, what is OZ? OZ is 12 kilometer plus ZX is how much? 1. ZX from here till here, 12 minus 6, how much is this distance? 6, right? So it is 6 kilometer. So how much is this distance? It is 18 kilometer. Got the point? Now let's say this is the distance. Now what will be the shortest distance? Let me change it to this color. Shortest distance from O to X. Distance from OX. Okay, O to X. Shortest distance will be how much? O to X. Shortest will be this one, right? Direct. You don't need to go to Z. The shortest. Beginning one, ending one. So it is OX. So which is equal to OX. OX is how much? 6 kilometer. Okay. This shortest distance we call as displacement. I hope you are understanding my point. Let's discuss more. So what will happen? If I move from here till here, how much is the distance? 8 kilometer. How much is the displacement? Same, 8 kilometer. Okay. Let's say you're moving from here to here. How much is the distance? 12 kilometer. Displacement, 12 kilometer. Or let's say you're moving from here to here and come back here. Okay. How much is the distance? From here to here is 12 and from here to here is 4. 12 plus 4, 16. Okay. Displacement is from here to here 8. I hope you're understanding. Okay. I hope it is not that complicated for you. Let's make it more. Let me make one more point and make you understand further. Let's say you are moving from O to Y, and back to X. Okay, then distance will be how much? Come on, this you common thing. O to Y and back to X. So it will, distance will be O Y plus YX. So O to Y is how much? O to Y, how much is the distance? O to Y, 8 kilometer. So 8 plus Y to X is how much? Y to X, 2 kilometer. So this is 2. 8 plus 2, 10 kilometer. Now displacement. What is displacement? Displacement is shortest distance. Shortest distance is how much? Shortest distance from O to X, shortest 6 kilometer, right? 6 kilometer. Okay. What if let's say you are moving from O to Z to Y to O again. You have started from here. You have moved like this. Let's directly write down O to Z and back to Y and back to O again and back to O. What will be the distance? What will be the distance? You are moving from O to Z. How much it is? OZ plus Z to O again, ZO. O to Z is 12 kilometer. Z to O is 12 kilometer. How much it is? 24 kilometer. Displacement. What will be the displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance. So what is the beginning point? O. What is the ending point? O. You have moved from here, came back here in the same position. So what will be the displacement? Displacement will be 0. Why? Because you have started from O, and ended in O again. So the displacement is 0. Okay, I hope you understood this much.